Hello, hello. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Okay, let's do it. First, let's do review time. Okay, let's go. Contemporary. Contemporary means the living same period of time as someone. Forgot. Someone living during the same period as someone else. Was he a contemporary of Shakespeare's? Proclaim. Proclaim. Proclaim means... I do this word every time, but I cannot remember it. Proclaim. Proclaim. To announce something publicly or officially, especially something positive. The lawyer's going to proclaim her client's innocence. Ambiguity. Ambiguity. Okay, ambiguity. Ambiguity is something that is not clear. So you can say the role of my work, the role at my workplace is ambiguity. Like that. The fact of something having more than one possible meaning and therefore possibly causing confusion. The ambiguity of my role at work really demotivates me. This not exactly the same as I said. The ambiguity of my work. The fact of something having more than one possible meaning and therefore possibly causing confusion. Hard. Classify. Classify means to categorize something or to announce something officially as well. To officially state that information is secret. The truth is secret. The government classified the documents. Persistent. Persistent means keep doing something for a very, very long time. Like, and it's became annoying. So you can say, he is so persistent. He keep asking me. He keep asking my contact. Lasting for a long time or difficult to get rid of. George is way too persistent with his personal questions. Okay. Attitude. Attitude means the way of thinking or behavior. How you think or feel about something. You have such a great attitude toward learning new things. Disciplines. Disciplines means the field of study. My discipline is marketing, something like that. Or the rule or self-control, like I have to stick to my disciplines to work out every day. I need to have more discipline when it comes to sticking to my exercise routine. I have been spending a lot of money recently, so I need to have discipline. Good. Amplify. Amplify means to exaggerate something or to make something bigger. Like the speaker amplified my voice to make something louder or stronger. Social media amplifies the influence of celebrities a lot. Good. Reliance. Reliance means a relationship. Reliance. Relationship. The state of depending on or trusting in something or someone. You place too much reliance on her ideas and expertise. It's not exactly relationship, but kind of close to the word trust. Trusting. Insurmountable. Insurmountable means incredible. Like the game. How do you say it? Insurmountable. That was insurmountable. Incredible. Impossible. Especially of a problem or difficulty, so great that it cannot be dealt with successfully. Impossible is a stronger term, suggesting an absolute lack of possibility. The amount of work I had to do for the project felt insurmountable, so I broke it down into small tasks to make it more manageable. Insurmountable, impossible. Okay. In terms of means under the context. In terms of cannot come up with examples. In terms of in terms of my circumstance, something like that. Used to describe which particular area or a subject you are discussing. In terms of money, I was better off in my last job. In terms of, I think there are interchangeable words. Something like regarding or regarding, in regard to. Okay, I'm gonna just put it hard. Okay, last one. Farther means to make it farther. You can say something like, I wanna learn cooking to make my skill farther. To develop or make progress in something. What kind of training do I need to do to further my career? Further. More or extra. If you have any future problems, let me know. Further. If you have any further problems, let me know. Further. How do I pronounce this? Further.
Further. Further.
Farther.
Further.
Farther. 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 Hard. Good. Okay. Done. Let's move on to chapter 34. Chapter 34 is about chemistry. Okay, let's go. First sentence. Okay. Wait. Chemistry is the study of matter, which is composed of pure substances and mixtures, period. Pure substances can be broken down into elements, which contain only one kind of atom, and compounds, which contain two or more different atoms bounded together to form molecules. Compound. I think I've learned the word compound in previous chapter. Compound. 33. Compound. A chemical that combines two or more elements. Okay. Chemistry is the study of matter, which is composed of pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances can be broken down into elements which contain only one kind of atom, and compounds which contain two or more different atoms bounded together to form molecules. Okay. Chemistry is the study of matter, which matter はわかるね。matter gray matter っていう意味もある。gray matter it's just a matter of time. What's the matter? Gray matter. Gray matter. Is this common phrase? Gray matter? Gray matter. The darker tissue contains nerve fibers. Brain and person's intelligence. Which is composed of component composedly pure break something down break his talk down into atom into elements which contain only one kind of atom, and compounds. Compounds. Mixing tree sap with mud in the right way creates a compound that you can use as glue. Compounds. Molecule. The simplest unit of a chemical substance, usually a group of two or more atoms. 原子。いや、分子か。I've been cruising these herbs for so long that they are going to turn into molecules soon. Molecules. I've been cruising. Crushing か。 I've been crushing these herbs for so long that they are going to turn into molecules soon. Molecule. Molecule. Do you use this word? Can you give me some casual examples of the word molecules? Wait. This happens. Not do it. That means I have to use a GPT. Often used in science, but it can also be used in casual conversations to talk about very small particles or to emphasize how tiny something is. Did you know that water is made up of tiny molecules? I was coughing. When you spray the air freshener, the molecules spread all over the room to make it smell good. The smell of pizza is just tiny molecules in the air that your nose can detect. When you heat up food, the heat makes the molecules move faster, which is why it cooks. Okay. Use this too. Okay, molecules. That's it. Chemistry is the study of matter, which is composed of pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances can be broken down into elements, which contain only one kind of atom, and compounds, which contain two or more different atoms bounded together to form molecules. Okay, next. Atoms consist of three types of particles. Particles. Protons and neutrons, which make up the nucleus, and electrons, which surround them, period. The majority of the field focuses on these particles, particularly with respect to how they behave. A little bit difficult. Atoms consist of three types of particles. Protons and neutrons, which make up the nucleus, and electrons, which surrounds them. The majority of the field focuses on these particles, particularly with respect to how they behave. Okay. Particle わかるね。 proton, proton, proton. A type of elementary particle, a very small piece of matter, with a positive electrical charge that is found in the nucleus of all atoms. 陽子. Why do I need to learn this word? I think this is too academic. Protons. How do protons fire from the sun manage to reach Earth over all that distance? Proton and neutron and nucleus. I just want to know how to pronounce this word.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. And electron. Electron. Surrounded. Behave. Behave as if. Behave yourself. Behavior. Okay. Respect to. Atoms consist of three different particles, protons and neutrons, which make up the nucleus. Yoshi, chuseishi. Nucleus. Huh? Which make up the new nucleus. Wait. Particles, protons and neutrons, which make up the nucleus, and electrons, which surrounded them. Huh? What are those three? Protons, neutron, and electron. Okay. Protons and neutrons. So nucleus is composed of protons and neutrons, and electrons are it is surrounded by electrons. Okay. In this sentence, what does respect mean? Regard or consideration. The phrase with respect to is used to specify a particular aspect or area being discussed. So in your sentence, the majority of the field focuses on these particles, particularly with respect to how they behave. This means that most of the study or focus in this field is about these particles, especially considering or in relation to their behavior. To simplify, with respect to, in this context, is like saying especially when talking about, or especially in terms of. Especially in terms of how they behave ってことか。むずいね。Okay. I don't think I should list up words from the sentence. This is kind of too technical words. Atoms consist of 3 types of particles, protons and neutrons, which make up the nucleus, and electron, which surround them. The majority of the field focuses on these particles, particularly with respect to how they behave. Okay. Next. For instance, carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen, respectively, overlapping their orbitals with oxygen orbitals and sharing their electrons to bond firmly. For instance, carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen, respectively overlapping their orbitals with oxygen orbitals and sharing their electrons to bond firmly. Okay. Is this too small? Okay. For instance, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is CO2, right? Carbon dioxide. What does dioxide mean? What does it mean? A chemical substance consisting of 2 atoms of oxygen combined with 1 atom of another element. Carbon dioxide. 書いとくか。CO2. And water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen. Respectively. What does this mean? Respectively, in a way that relates or belongs to each of the separate people or things you have just mentioned. In a way that relates or belongs to each of the separate people. Respectively. Respectively. これ日本語だとなんて言うんだ。 for each ってことか。let's see. What does respectively means? And give me some casual examples of the word. The word respectively is used when you want to refer to two or more things in the same order that you mentioned them. It helps to clarify which items goes with which in a list. Here's a simple way to think about it. If you list two items and then list two other items, respectively, connect the first item in the first list to the first item in the second list, and the second item in the first list to the second item in the second list. Casual examples. Talking about siblings' age, Sarah and Tom are 12 and 10 years old respectively. Okay. So Sarah is 12 and Tom is 10. Okay. Discussing food preferences. We ordered pizza and a salad for John and Emily respectively. Okay, so pizza for John and a salad for Emily. Talking about sports terms. The Lakers and Celtics won their games 102 and 95 and 110 and 99 respectively. Talking about pets, my cat and dogs are named Whiskers and Buddy respectively. Referring to jobs, Anna and Mark work as a teacher and an engineer respectively. Okay. Respectively. Respectively. This is useful word. Okay, respectively. So carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water molecules. Carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen respectively. So carbon dioxide formed through carbon and water molecules formed through hydrogen. Overlapping. Overlap. Overlapping their orbitals. Orbitals. Relating to the orbit, curved path of an object in space. Electrons and their orbitals determine which reactions can take place between molecules. The moon orbits Earth and not the other way around. The moon orbits Earth and not the other way around. Orbitals. Oops. An orbital space station. The spacecraft had to dodge orbital debris coming its way. Orbital, orbit. So orbit means to follow. Oh, it's noun. Wait, orbital is objective. Okay. But orbit can also be verb, right? Verb. To follow a curved path around the planet or star. Okay. Overlapping their orbitals with oxygen orbitals. 二酸化炭素分子は水分子、二酸化炭素分子と水分子はそれぞれ炭素と水素の軌道が酸素の軌道と重なりあり、互いの電子が起きる。Wait, this is hard. For instance, carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen, respectively, overlapping their orbitals with oxygen orbitals and sharing their electrons to bond firmly. Okay, so carbon dioxide and molecules. Wait, huh? Carbon dioxide 二酸化炭素は Carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen, respectively overlapping their orbits. 炭素と水素がそれぞれ水素の軌道が酸素の軌道と重なり合い respectively formed throughむずっCan you explain this sentence? For instance, carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed. This part is saying that the sentence will explain how carbon dioxide and water molecules are made. Through carbon and hydrogen, respectively. The word respectively here means that carbon is responsible for forming the carbon dioxide molecule, and hydrogen is responsible for forming the water molecules. Okay. Overlapping their orbitals with oxygen orbitals. Orbitals are regions around an atom where electrons are likely to be found. This part is saying that carbon and hydrogen overlap their electron orbitals with those of oxygen to form bonds. Ooh. Orbitals. Okay. CO2 and H2O are made of carbon and hydrogen, respectively. Orbitals are region around. This part is saying that carbon, CO2, carbon and hydrogen overlap their electron orbitals. 炭素と水素の軌道が overlap とか。Simplified version. Carbon dioxide and water molecules are created when carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms connect their electrons with oxygen atom. They share these electrons, which helps form strong bonds. Wait. CO2. Wait, carbon dioxide. So carbon and hydrogen. Form carbon dioxide, CO2, and H2O, respectively. Good catch. Actually, that's not quite correct. Carbon forms carbon dioxide. Carbon forms carbon dioxide. Hydrogen form water. So the correct way to say it is carbon forms CO2. Hydrogen forms H2O. Therefore, if we use respectively in this context, the sentence should match the correct pairs. For instance, carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen, respectively. This means carbon is responsible for forming CO2. Okay. And then carbon and carbon's orbit and hydrogen orbit overlap. In the context of forming molecules, the correct statement would be that carbon's orbitals and hydrogen orbitals overlap with the orbitals of another atom, such as oxygen, to form bonds. Orbitals are region around. Okay. Wait. Carbon's orbitals and hydrogen orbitals overlap with the orbitals of another atom. Orbital and hydrogen orbital are the same. Carbon's orbital and hydrogen orbital are not the same. Different atoms, different orbitals. Carbon and hydrogen are different elements, which means that they have different numbers of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Because of this, their orbitals are different in space size and energy level. Carbon has 6 electrons, and its electron configuration is more complex than hydrogen's. Carbon's electrons fill up orbitals in different energy level. It's hard. I'm just gonna skip it. Right. So, and hydrogen of orbital and oxygen orbital overlap. Respectively. Oh yes, the orbitals of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen overlap with each other when they form molecules, but the specific overlaps depend on the molecules being formed. Okay. Okay, 次。Firmly. In a way that will not become loose. Make sure the rope is firmly attached before attempting to climb down. Confirm と一緒ってことで。Okay. Firmly. Can you give me some casual examples of the word firmly? When meeting someone new, it's good to shake hands firmly to show confidence. He closed the door firmly to make sure it wouldn't blow open in the wind. Oh, okay. The teacher spoke firmly to the class, making sure everyone understood the rules. She firmly told her friends that she didn't want to go to the party. Make sure to screw the lid on firmly so the jar won't leak. Okay. Firmly. This is like physically firmly. And this is like physical. Firmly. Okay. The sentence is too difficult to understand. For instance, carbon dioxide and water molecules are formed through carbon and hydrogen, respectively, overlapping their orbitals with oxygen orbitals and sharing their electrons to bond firmly. Let's do last sentence. Given that it occupies an intersection of multiple scientific realms, chemistry has the deserved reputation of being the central science that is capable of accommodating many fields. Ooh. Given, I've learned this word, given, because or since. Because that is occupies an intersection of multiple scientific realms. Chemistry has the deserved reputation of being the central science that is capable of accommodating many fields. Ooh. Okay. Occupy. Occupied. Occupy. What do you do when your mind is occupied by negative thoughts? Occupy. I think I understand the word when it's used like the room is occupied or something like that. But other than that, I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna put it. Occupy. To feel exist in or use a place or period of time. To keep someone busy or interested. Busy or interested. Okay. Occupy. What do you do when your mind is occupied by negative thoughts? The rest of the time was occupied with writing reports. The house hasn't been occupied by anyone for a few months. A large picture of the Battle of Waterloo occupied the space above the fireplace. Just gonna put this here. Oh wait, double C. Occupy. Given that it occupies an intersection. Intersection an occasion when two lines cross, or the place where this happens. Wait. Intersection. Is engineering really the intersection between physics and math? Is it? Intersection. Can I use it? Give me some casual example of the word intersection. Street crossing. We need to turn left at the next intersection to get to the park. Let's meet at the intersection of Elm Street and Oak Avenue. In the Venn diagram, the intersection of the two circles shows what both groups have in common. There's often an intersection between work and personal life, especially when you have to attend social events related to your job. The intersection of the two players' path was where the ball was passed during the game. This is a nice way to use this word. And also this intersection. 交差点ってことだよね。See. Okay. This occupies an intersection of multiple scientific realms. Oops. Sorry. How do you pronounce?
Realm.
Oh, realm.
Realms. Realms.
Realms. Realms. Realms. Realms. Realms.
Realm.
Realm. An area of interest or activity. Area. Zone と違うよな。What's the difference between realms and discipline and zone? Zone. Okay. And sometimes overlap in meaning, they each have distinct uses and connotations. Realms. A realm is a domain or area of knowledge, activity, or interest. It often refers to a broad or abstract field. A discipline is a specific branch of study or field of learning. Often within an academic or professional context, it implies a structured body of knowledge or a set of practices. Zone is a particular area or region, often defined by physical or abstract boundaries. It can be used to describe both tangible spaces and metaphorical areas of focus. Are realms and zone interchangeable? Not typically interchangeable, as they have distinct meaning and usage. She made significant contributions to the realms of modern art. We need to stay within the designed construction zone for safety. Wait, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so it's different. Within the realms of possibility. Can you give me some casual examples of the word realm? In the realm of hobbies, she is really into painting and gardening. With the rise of smartphones, we're living in a new realm of technology. The movie takes place in a magical realm where dragons and wizards exist. In the realm of finance, he is known for his expertise in investments. In the realm of sports, she's a top athlete in swimming and track. Broad area or field of interest. これは違うか。Rewriting the entire program from scratch is not beyond the realm of possibility. Rewriting. Realm of possibility. Realm of hobbies. Okay. Intersection of multiple scientific realms. Chemistry has the deserved reputation of being the central science. Central science that is capable of accommodating many fields. Reputation はわかるね。Deserved もわかる。Capable もわかる。Accommodate. Wait, I think I've learned accommodate. Let me see the browse. Accommodate. Yeah, accommodate means to provide with a place to live or to be stored in. Accommodate. Wait. Accommodate. To provide with a place to live or to be stored in. To give what is needed to someone. Accommodate. To give. Wait, which one was that? Accommodate. Chapter 18. Chapter 18. Chapter 18. Accommodate. To provide with a place to live. Accommodation. So this is different. これも書いとくか。Oh wait, sorry, I didn't show you this. I'm just gonna put it here. Accommodate. To give what is needed to someone. Give me some casual examples of the word accommodate. I'll try to accommodate your schedule by moving our meeting to a different time. Can be accommodate. Room space. Make adjustments or provide what is needed. Hmm. 対応すると一緒だよね。 modify とは違うのかな？ Is it different from the word modify? What's the synonyms for accommodate? Adapt, adjust, provide. Accommodate and adapt and adjust are interchangeable completely. Accommodate to make changes or provide for someone's need or requirements. It often implies making room for someone or something. To change or modify something to make it suitable for a new or different purpose or condition. It often involves a process of adjusting to new circumstances. Adjust to make small changes to improve something or to make it fit better with its surroundings. It often involves fine-tuning or twerking. The hotel accommodates guests with special needs. The company adopted accommodate. Accommodate. The restaurant can accommodate dietary restriction. So let them know if you have any allergies. Accommodate. Accommodate. Okay. Okay, let's finish. Let's wrap up. Molecules, the simplest unit of chemical substance, usually a group of two or more atoms. I've been crushing these herbs for so long that they are going to turn into molecules soon. When you heat up food, the heat makes the molecules move faster, which is why it cooks. Carbon dioxide and CO2, respectively, to refer to two or more things in the same order that you mentioned them. It helps to clarify which items goes with which in a list. Sarah and Tom are 12 and 10 years old, respectively. Orbitals, relating to the orbit of an object in space. Electrons and their orbitals determine which reactions can take place between molecules. The moon orbits Earth and not the other way around, firmly, in a way that will not become loose. Make sure the rope is firmly attached before attempting to climb down. When meeting someone new, it's good to shake hands firmly to show confidence. Occupy means to fill, exist in, or use a place or period of time. What do you do when your mind is occupied by negative thoughts? The rest of the time was occupied with writing a report. Intersection. On occasion when two lines cross, or the place where this happens. Is engineering really the intersection to win with physics and math? There is often an intersection between work and personal life, especially when you have to attend social events related to your job. There is often an intersection between work and personal life. Huh? Why do I put this? I think I accidentally intersection. This one I wanted to put. No. Okay. Realms, an area of interest or activity. Rewriting the entire program from scratch is not beyond the realm of possibility. In the realm of hobbies, is really into painting and gardening. Accommodate to give what is needed to someone. I'll try to accommodate your schedule by moving our meeting to a different time. These two are not that clear for me. Well, it's fine for now. Okay, chapter 34 is done. Nice. Next is chapter 35, which is about biology. Biology. Okay. Let's finish the stream here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next stream. Study with me stream is on Tuesday, every Tuesday from 10 p.m. JST. So if you're interested, please come again and see you at the next stream. Bye.